Ilan Mitchell-Smith, Leanna Creel, Brandon Call, Michael Fishman, 49 of 55 the most influential actors of 2018-21 of 44 the best fish things that are not really fish, 2 of 12 the cast and crew of Lloyd thinks about its translation. Heather Langenkamp, Charlie Korsmo, best known as Jack Banning from Hook, and later as William Lichter from Can't Hardly Wait. Korsmo has since completely walked away from acting, earning a degree in physics from MIT, working for the EPA, and then becoming a lawyer and nominee for the Barry Goldwater Scholarship and Excellence in Education Foundation. More Charlie Korsmo, 34 of 100 the smartest celebrities, 1 of 11 what happened to all the kids from Hook, 10 of 15 famous people who turned their back on fame and just work normal jobs now. Ariana Richards, most famous for her role as Lex Murphy in the original Jurassic Park, Ariana Richards remains mostly retired from the craft, instead living in Salem, and becoming a successful impressionist painter. Slaten, Jake Lloyd is known for playing young Anakin Skywalker in 1999's The Phantom Menace. He was just 10 years old when Episode I premiered and subsequently disappointed Star Wars fans across the board. Though he was only doing his job, the young actor faced bullying because of the film and disappeared from the spotlight. In January 2020, Lloyd's mother updated fans on her son's well-being, revealing that he was diagnosed with paranoid schizophrenia, but that he continues to focus on his health and lives a fairly peaceful life. More Jake Lloyd, 753 of 904 Celebrity Death Pool 2021, 9 of 15 famous people who turned their back on fame and just work normal jobs now, 2 of 7 the 8 most annoying kid characters in action movie history. Crystal McKellar, Jonathan Taylor Thomas, Josh Saviano.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.